Welcome back and let's begin with exercise 7.3. I hope you had tried to solve those questions. Second question, we have integration of sine 3x into cos 4x. Easily can make out. This has to be taken for transformation formula. Sine a cos b. The result we have half sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So accordingly, if I claim the formula here, 1 by 2 sine a plus b, 3 plus 4, 7x plus sine a minus b, the difference we have minus x, 3x minus 4x. As sine is there, minus cannot be neglected, say minus x. So sine of minus theta, we know it very well, it is minus sine theta. So let's take the function as sine 7x minus sine x with respect to x. Now the terms are ready to integrate, and let's claim for the answer. Integration of sine 7x, keeping 1 by 2 outside, take a square bracket. We are left with minus cos 7x whole divided by 7. It is actually minus, but again integration of sine will give another minus. Minus into minus we have plus cos x plus c. So this can be the answer, or if you want you can still simplify by taking half within. Or option you can say minus cos 7x upon 7 2s are 14 plus half is multiplied. So we have 1 by 2 cos x plus c should be the answer. Third question, we have integration of cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x. So you have an option, you can go for cos 2x into cos 6x, or you can think about the first two term. Applying transformation cos a cos b between the first two. Illa andre last, second and third, illi kuda cos a cos b apply madbodu. Illa andre cos a cos b kuda apply madbodu. So as per your convenience, but I think in last video I had taken here first and last, chota angle and bada angle has simplified. That's the best way, which you can remember it in the case of sum to product as well as right now product to sum transformation formula we are applying. So accordingly I have taken here, and okay, this time I have planned it for the first two term as and how the terms are given. Accordingly I have planned it here. So I simplified for cos 2x into cos 4x cos a cos b formula. So recollect what is the formula, write the formula first. So that according to the formula I can write all the steps here. Half here cos a plus b 6x plus cos a minus b is 2x. Even though 2x minus 4x is minus 2x here, minus has been neglected because cos function we have, and last class also I told you, you can even if you want you can write the formula here. Cos of minus theta, we know it very well, it is cos theta. But sine banda hag malik baralla. Sine, whenever we claim for sine, minus has to be mentioned. Next step, balance the minus sign. Okay, so here we have cos of minus 2x is same as cos 2x only. So into there, take a bracket here and say cos 6x. Now term by term multiply. Term by term multiply. So when I multiply this term with this cos 6x, and again term by term if I multiply, we are left out with half integration of cos 6x into cos 6x plus cos 2x into cos 6x with respect to x. Again cos a cos b formula I am going to claim. If you note here, this can also be taken as cos square 6x kuda tobodu. Cos square. How to integrate cos square? Integration of cos square to be done as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 already we discussed. So it is same as transformation formula only. If you want to go for cos square, tondre illa hagu kuda madbodu. But right now anyway cos a cos b formula I have claimed here. So please half na ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಡಿ and take a integration symbol, and for this again we have 1 by 2. So take a bracket here. Bracket wherever coefficients, common coefficients we find, balance the coefficients, numerical coefficient 1 by 2 properly. So we have 1 by 2, here we have cos 12x plus cos this minus this should give us 0. What is cos 0 value? Cos 0 value is 1. So ultimately the cos square anta ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ we have 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 here. Transformation will definitely give the same result only. Okay. So I hope you're convinced. Anyway, I have taken here transformation, which is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 only. So where here we have plus 1 by 2 and take a bracket. We have cos a cos b cos a plus b, sum it up, plus cos a minus b, the difference we have 4x with respect to x. So here I have opened all the terms. I have taken half within, okay, and 1 by 2 common outside. Integration of we have half cos 12x plus this is 1 by 2 plus this is 1 by 2 cos 8x plus this is 1 by 2 cos 4x with respect to x. Now I went for integration here, 1 by 2 kept, and take a bracket. Now integration of this. Integration of cos 12x. It is 12. cos 12x. It should be sin 12x divided by 12. That 12 2 is 24. Plus integration of 1 by 2 with respect to x. We have x by 2. Plus integration of cos 8x. We have sin 8x upon 8 2 is 16. Plus integration of cos 4x. Sin 4x divided by 4 2 is 8 plus c should be the answer. If you want, this 1 by 2 can be taken within and you can balance it. Fourth question, we have integration of sine cube 2x plus 1. Integration of sine cube in my theory part also, last video I gave you how to integrate sine cube. There were two methods which I discussed. One formula I made you to go for sine 3 theta. One more result also I discussed wherein you can go for sine cube as sine x into sine square. And then you can go for integration. Even that method is also okay. Okay, but as far as possible, you can set your mind for one method. Sorry, here I have taken sine 3 theta formula, which results to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. 4 sine cube theta is equal to, we have, okay, I balancing here, 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Sine cube theta is 3 by 4 sine theta minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. This formula I try to apply here. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. Sine cube, this is theta. Sine cube, this is theta. 3 by 4 sine theta. 3 by 4 sine theta minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. 3 into bracket 2x plus 1. ನೋಡಿ sine cube theta ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ sine cube ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ theta ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ this is theta, this is 3 theta. Properly balance it here. So once we write the step here, we are left out with integration process can be done, can be claimed here. So we are left out with integration 3 by 4 kept as it is. Integration of sine to be taken as cos of 2x plus 1. Denominator x coefficient is 2. Denominator 2. Minus we have actually here 1 by 4 kept here. Integration of sine. This is 6x plus 1. Sorry, 6x plus 3. So integration of sine, another minus, we have plus cos of 6x plus 3 whole divided by 3 2s are the coefficient of x is 6, denominator 6 plus c. So in the step ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು wherein we can claim sine of in the 6x plus 3 ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು then you can go for integration. So here we have minus 3 denominator, we have 4 2s are 8, we have cos of 2x plus 1 plus 1 upon 24, we have cos of 6x plus 3 plus c should be the answer. Okay. Whereas this question you can even solve it based on sine cube anna kuda neevu I think in theory also we discussed or option. Fourth question, we have integration of sine cube 2x plus 1 with respect to x. Can also be taken as integration of sine of 2x plus 1 into sine square 2x plus 1, wherein we can even say sine of 2x plus 1 kept as it is. This sine square can be taken as 1 minus cos square. It is 2x plus 1 with respect to x, where differentiation of sine is cos, but we can't claim here with respect to x, whereas differentiation of cos can be taken as sine. So put cos of 2x plus 1 is equal to t, whose derivative is available here. Be careful about the sign. We have minus, differentiation we are doing, minus sine of 2x plus 1 into differentiation the chain rule is into 2, I mean to say dt by dx. Wherein my requirement is sine of 2x plus 1. So let's balance it here. We have sine of 2x plus 1. With respect to x, I can take it as minus 2 transferred. We have minus 1 by 2 times of dt. So what exactly we have I ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This term has to be with all the substitution has these steps to be totally balanced here. So we have sine of 2x plus 1 with respect to x is nothing but I should say minus half minus 1 by 2 integration with respect to dt. What about this? Here we find 1 minus, this is cos 2x plus 1 whole square. So I should take it as 1 minus, this is t square. So we are actually left out with integration of 1 minus t square with respect to t. So let's go for integration process here. we are left out with minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 with respect to t. X alla nodi, matte x barkobedi ile. This is not x, this is t. This is t. So we have integration of 1 with respect to t to be taken as t minus integration of t square to be taken as t raised to 3 denominator 3. Integration completes plus c. So let's put the t value back. Here we have minus 1 by 2 within a bracket. T value, I should say, we have taken it as cos of 2x plus 1. So I should take it as cos of 2x plus 1 minus, we have cos of cos cube 2x plus 1 denominator 3 plus c should be the answer. Or minus can be balanced here. You can also conclude it by saying it is a minus cos of 2x plus 1 denominator 2. It is plus 1 by 6 times of cos cube 2x plus 1 plus c. This is also answer. Okay. Or this is wherein I am claiming it for sine cube with the substitution method. Or the best option, even you can go for this method also. This is also answer. Or option you can solve and set your mind for one method. Next question here we find integration of sine cube x into cos cube x. So whenever I find sine x cos x angle remains same and the powers are same, I can very well think about sine x into cos x whole cube. The best option I find here. So of course sine x cos x, the result can be taken as sine 2x by 2 whole cube. So here 2 cube is 1 by 8. Integration of sine cube 2x is left out. Again, what is the integration of sine cube? Just now we have done no sine 3 theta formula. This method you can apply. So sine cube theta can be taken as 3 by 4 sine theta minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. This step I have just taken it from here, but you need to write all the steps modified, and here we have this step. So sine cube theta higadre integration of sine cube 2x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 by 4 sine theta 2x minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. It is sine 3 times 3 2s are 6x. So ready for integration? Ready for integration. Okay, so let's go for integration process, and yeah, I think here we have done it. 1 by 8 kept as it is. It is 3 by 4 constant. Integration of sine to be taken as minus cos 2x by 2. 2 4s are 8. So minus 3 by 8 cos 2x. Minus into minus plus. We have 6 4s are 1 by 24 cos 6x, isn't it? Plus c should be the answer. One way, one method. Or you can think about even substitution method also here. Or option I am giving, not compulsory. Or option I am giving, we have integration of sine cube x. Okay, this is fifth question. Sine cube x into cos cube x. So here we can think about differentiation of cos is sine. Minus sine. Differentiation of sine is cos. Either way you can claim it here. So let me go for put cos x is equal to t. If this modification if I do, we have minus sine x, isn't it, is equal to dt by dx. And I would like to go for sine x with respect to x can be replaced by minus of dt. So if I am claiming it for cos x is equal to t here, then my requirement is only one term sine. Or sine cube is there. So according to my requirement, let me modify I, wherein sine square x is kept as it is into sine x. My requirement is sine x. Okay. This is of course cos cube x kept as it is with respect to x. I am claiming it for cos t, whose derivative sine x with respect to x I would like to replace it by minus dt. So accordingly modify. So this term can be balanced with respect to x can be easily replaced. This I am going to claim it for t, and this should give a t cube. But what about sine square? So sine square to be taken as 1 minus cos square x, wherein cos can be claimed here also. Put cos x is equal to t. Put cos x is equal to t, whose derivative can be easily balanced. So I should go for sine x kept as it is. This is the cos cube x kept as it is with respect to x. So at this stage, I can claim it for, okay, this is what I had done it already. Let me claim for the substitution. So we are left out with integration of this term. Should go for 1 minus t square, isn't it? Sin x with respect to x can be replaced by minus dt. we have minus of dt. Cos cube x to be taken as t cube. So we have actually minus of integration of t cube. If I multiply, we had t cube. Minus here we had t raised to 3 plus 2 powers simplified. Okay, with respect to t, I need to integrate. So this step is ready to integrate, and we're left out with minus outside. We have t raised to 4 by 4. Minus here we had t raised to 6, denominator 6, plus c. T can replace it back, and we are left out with this term can be taken here as minus t. Replace it back. We are left out with the cos raised to 4x, denominator 4, minus into minus plus. We have cos raised to 6x, denominator 6, plus c can be the answer. So whereas again I can give one more option here, or still you can think about, you can think about put cos x is equal to t hello, but you can even think about put sin x equal to t also, whose derivative is cos x. And then this term has to be balanced. You can take it as cos x into cos square. That cos square can be taken as 1 minus sin square, and so on. So or option. Okay, one more. Whenever I find, at least from my side, whenever I find result sin x into cos x, I have set my mind I should use the result sin 2x result. I mean to say here, whenever I find sin x into cos x, the only formula which comes in my mind, I have set my formula for sin 2x by 2. This formula I will always remember. Okay, and of course I expect you people to remember this result, 2 sin x cos x, where sin x cos x I can very well recollect it is sin 2x by 2. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. And moreover, powers can balance, they are same here, angles are same. Sin x cos x ಕಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ sin ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರಬಹುದು, sin raised to 4 ಬರಬಹುದು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪವರ್, sin ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಬಹುದು, and so on. Okay, but main thing is product has to be changed. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ either this way, or you can claim it for substitution where you break the term as 1 minus cos square, 1 minus sin square, and then you can go for integration. Okay, so our option alli ella maadi practice ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ, and the way you want to approach it depends upon that. Now let's move on for the sixth question. Sixth question, where integration of sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x with respect to x. Again you have an option chota bada angle I have taken as it is only, at applied transformation with the first two. We have 1 by 2, okay, sin A sin B. So hushara ಮಾಡಿ, sin A sin B is half cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Write the formula first. So subtraction, the difference cos ಇದೆ, cos A minus B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ the difference I should say it as x minus cos A plus B should give a 3x into sin 3x. Again apply, multiply, half na ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, integration of this is multiplied to this, we have cos x into sin 3x minus I should say cos 3x into sin 3x with respect to x. Half kept outside here, we have cos A sin B formula. What is cos A sin B formula? It is half sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So half sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Sin ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, minus 2x. Minus, be careful about the minus. Again cos A sin B formula, half kept here, sin of A plus B minus sin A minus B. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ sin A cos A 3x sin 3x into cos 3x can be taken as sin 6x double by 2. The same result you're getting it from transformation also, even though you neglect it. So here we have sin 6x, okay, denominator 2 minus sin 0, which will again give the value 0 only. So various implication possible, simplify it. This constant term. So let's open all the bracket and let's check out for the integration process. Integration kept as it is here, 1 by 2 sin 4x minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into sin 2x minus half sin 6x, this is 0 with respect to x. So terms are ready to integrate. So half kept here, it is sin integration minus cos 4x upon 4 2s are 8. Integration of sin minus cos 2x upon 2 2s are 4. addition of sine, minus into minus plus, cos 6x, denominator 6 2s are 12 plus c. If you want, 1 by 2 can be taken within, but not compulsory. This can be taken as answer. 7th question. We have integration of sine 4x into sine 8x. Sine A, sine B formula. Apply and check out the answer. We have sine A, sine B formula. Half cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, which I claimed it here, and check out the answer. Okay, 8th question. We have integration of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Right from beginning, I think in submultiple, multiple formula, PUC first day also told you, whenever I find 1 minus cos x, say the formula 2 sine square theta. Whenever I find 1 plus cos 2 theta, in ಬಹುಶಃ inverse trigonometry chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. These formulas again and again we find it, the same relation. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta, as well as sine 2 theta. In inverse trigonometry also given in the formula. You more formula 1 set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 1 minus sine 2 theta, 1 plus sine 2 theta, as well as cos 2 theta. This is perfect square ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. A minus B whole square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇದು A plus B whole square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇದು A square minus B square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. So this result to be taken as cos theta minus sine theta whole square. This result to be taken as cos theta plus sine theta whole square. Inverse trigonometry already I given the same formula. ನೋಡಿ ಹೊಸ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಈ ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು 2 ಥೀಟಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 ಥೀಟಾ ಅರ್ಧ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 minus cos x ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 2 sin square. ಇದ್ರ ಅರ್ಧ x by 2, 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, so this set of formula, only these 6 formulas repeatedly in 3 chapters, plus maybe it's required in other chapters also. When you are using it, why don't you remember these 6 formulas? During the discussion session also, I keep asking you these formulas again and again. Formula remembering is one aspect, but when the situation arises, you have to be alert and say this formula, this term can be balanced accordingly. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ 1 minus cos x ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ, okay, that's why I think in PUC first day also I told you formula, this is favorite formula, this is darling formula, this is sub-darling formula. I tried to set your mind that these situations repeatedly we come across in calculus, and you have to say this is my favorite formula, this is my darling formula, and wherever sine 2 theta, this is my sub-darling formula, which repeatedly I'll be using it. ಸೊ ನಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನಿಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್, ನೋ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೀವು, ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ದಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ವೆನ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇವೇ 6 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ 6 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. That's only requirement from my side. And once you set your mind, you find it calculus very easy. Trigonometry will not be a burden for you. Away relation use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, fine. So here we have 1 minus cos x to be taken as 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x to be taken as 2 cos square ardha. 2 theta towards theta. X towards x by 2. So 2 gets eliminated. We had tan square x by 2. Now integration of tan square, I think you remember how to integrate tan square. To be taken as secant square x square theta minus 1 secant square x by 2 minus 1. So integration of secant square is available, integration of 1 is available, secant square is available. So integration of secant square to be taken as tan x by 2, denominator x coefficient 1 by 2 minus integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus c. To balance we have denominator. Numerator, we have 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c should be the answer. Okay, so here cos x denominator 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x and the takshana definitely can think here 2 cos square x by 2. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ a minus a square minus b square. So the best option I find here is in this question You can think about that, but modification agutte anu togolri. Otherwise, if you are stuck over there, so whenever we find this angles are same, this situation, as set your mind, multiply by 1 minus cos x and balance it by 1 minus cos x. The best method. So you can think about this. So multiply by 1 minus cos x and balance it by 1 plus cos x. So we are left with cos x into 1 minus cos x. Denominator a plus b, a minus b. We have a square minus b square. We have 1 minus cos square x, okay, to be taken as sin square x, which I done it here because, okay, for this step. So we have a plus b, a minus b as a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square to be taken as sin square x. So at this situation, I can go for cos x minus cos square x, term by term multiplication, denominator sin square x. We are left with cos x by sin square minus cos square by sin square. So cos x by sin square can be taken as cos by sin, a single sign. Cos by sin is cot, 1 by sin is cosec. Minus this situation is cot square. So integration of cot into cosec is available, but cot square to be taken as cosecant square x minus 1. So minus, be careful. And this minus, let me open it in the next term I have taken here. Integration of cot x into cosec x minus cosecant square x. We have minus into minus plus 1 with respect to x. All the terms are ready to integrate now. So we have cot into cosec to be taken as minus cosec x, plus I should say it is cot x, plus I should say it is x, plus c should be the answer. Okay. This is one method. Or still if you want to, one more method also I can give you here. But I should not make it compulsory. This is the 9th question. So integration of cos x, denominator we have 1 plus cos x with respect to x. Multiply and then you can balance it, well and good. But anyway the terms are same. You can think about adding 1 and subtracting 1. Yeah, even you can think about this method also. Ready? Add 1 and subtract 1 to fulfill the plus 1 requirement here. Or option I am giving it as or option. The best option which normally students will guess is this method which earlier I discussed. Multiply by 1 minus cos x in ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ, previous discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That's a very common method, but there's no harm in whenever this situation will arises. Plus 1 was requirement, so I can just add it plus 1, balance minus 1. So this step can be taken as 1 plus cos x, denominator 1 plus cos x, minus this is 1, denominator we have 1 plus cos x. So the terms 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x gets eliminated. We have integration of 1 minus this situation here you can say 1 plus cos x is our favorite and darling formula. What is that? 2 cos square x by 2, which will lead us to secant square, numerator secant square. So this can be taken as 1 minus 1 by 2. This is a secant square x by 2 with respect to x. I need to integrate. So integration is ready, integration is ready. So integration of 1 as x minus 1 by 2 kept as it is. Integration of a secant square to be taken as tan x by 2, denominator x, the coefficient x in the number 1 by 2 plus c. So 2 gets eliminated. I hope you can imagine this. 2 comes in numerator, so 2 gets eliminated. So here itself I can eliminate. So we have x minus, we have tan x by 2 plus c is also the answer. Now the question comes in your mind, madam, illi hige answer barta idella, hagidre illi hige answer barta ide. Are they same? Definitely. Last video also I discussed trigonometry. Using trigonometry I can definitely balance here. Nodi ella terms x ಒಳಗಿದೆ. But here I got a term in terms of x by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x by 2 denominator cos x by 2 ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು submultiple relations ನ multiply balance ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ definitely this result can be proved to this result here. This result or the reverse also can use it. 1 by sin x ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ. sin x can be taken as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Cot can be taken as cos x denominator sin x. And again I can use submultiple formula and definitely that if I go for term by term multiplication, this term will definitely get balanced with this term. So we are not trying to prove the ultimate result is same. We are trying to integrate the given function. And integration requires standard results. And moreover, when it goes for the function f of x, this f of x should not have division, should not have multiplication, should be splitted. And for this, we had modified all the steps in such a way that the whole result goes to plus minus, and the term should be standard result. Cot into cosec, cosecant square might be, or constant term, okay, might be sin x, cos x, tan x, cosec x, the terms which are there in the list of formulas. ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಿನ ತಂದು ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು then we go for integration ಆಗೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Only one step we go for integration, but the modification what we do here, no, f of x is dragged, pulled in such a way to give it back in standard function. That technique counts here. That method counts here. Fine. So this should be the 9th question answer. Let's move on for 10th question. So 10th question we find integration of sin raised to 4x with respect to x. This already in my previous video I had done it. It's a theory part only. So how to go for sin square whole square. Then think about sin square to be taken as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. Then go for integration. Homework part because already I had done it. Let's move on for integration of cos raised to 4. 2x already. We had done it for cos square x. So I just thought of let me go for 2x also. So balance angle ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ balance ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. Angle ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Okay, properly have a hold on this angle part. So I have to go for remember the theory part accordingly, but angle ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ balance ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So here we have cos square whole square, keeping the 2x as it is. Now how to go for cos square? Cos square theta. We have formula 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ cos square 2x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is 1 by 2 plus cos double ನೋಡಿ theta double 2 theta 2x ಇದ್ರೆ double 2 times theta 2 2s are 4x by 2. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. We have 1 plus cos 4x by 2 as it is whole square with respect to x. So here I can go for 2 square can be taken here. ಮತ್ತು 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ a plus b whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 2 square is 4 which I taken here 1 by 4 balanced. Numerator we have a plus b whole square which results to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we left it with 1 plus we have cos square 4x plus 2 cos 4x with respect to x. So again cos square comes in your mind. This is ready for integration. This is also ready for integration. But again cos square. How to integrate? Again the same result. Cos square theta. 1 plus cos double. 1 plus cos double is 8x by 2 by 2. Plus cos 4x with respect to x. Same we had done it for cos square x. We had done it in theory. But now we are dealing with 2x. Okay. So at this stage we find 1 plus 1 by 2 can be taken as 3 by 2 plus here we find cos 8x by 2 plus this term is kept as it is. So now integration with respect to x ready, integration of cos 8x is ready, integration of cos 4x is ready. ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So integration of this term plus integration of this term possible plus integration of this term is possible. So at this stage we have modified and lastly we go for integration 1 by 4 kept as it is. We have integration of 3 by 2 with respect to x 3x by 2 plus integration of cos find sin 8x denominator 8 2s are 16 plus 2 kept as it is. We have integration of cos 4x sin 4x by 4 2 1s are 2 2s are simplified and I have taken 4 within and I have tried to balance step. Go through the steps which are given here. 12th question we have integration of sin square x upon 1 plus cos x. Sin square ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 1 minus cos square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Sin square ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 1 minus cos square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So 1 minus cos square we have a square minus b square. 1 minus cos x 1 plus cos x gets eliminated. We have integration of 1 minus cos x ready to integrate. We have x minus sin x plus c should be the answer. Or you can even think about multiply and balance, which normally the students will think about this. There's no harm in doing this. Multiply by 1 minus cos x, balance by 1 minus cos x. We have sin square into 1 minus cos x, denominator 1 minus cos square, which is nothing but sin square. Sin square gets eliminated. And so we are left with integration of 1 minus cos x only. Few situations where angles, submultiple formulas are not used. We'll use ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಸ್ 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square. So I not touch the angle part. So either of the method I find the same result here. Okay. Okay, fine. So next we have integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha, denominator cos x minus cos alpha. ಈ alpha ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ ಇದು k ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದು. ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, k ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದು. ಇದು ಒಂದು k. I repeat, with respect to x I have to integrate. But what exactly I have here? Integration of cos 2x minus some k. ಎಂತ k ಇದು? It is under cos. Cos, what's the range? Range is -1 to +1. So range -1 to +1 ನಡಿಕೆ ತೂಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ. Which I'm assuming it as k. This is k. This is also cos alpha. This is also k. But this k and this k is different because angle ನೋಡಿ 2 alpha alpha ಇದೆ. Range ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the question what I find here is integration of cos 2x minus k. Denominator it is cos x minus k dash. Isn't it? With respect to x. So ಆದರೆ angle ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x can be related to x here. 2 alpha can be related to alpha here because we have cos 2 theta as 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x can be taken as 2 cos square x. ಈ x term ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. No doubt this is k. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 2x gives a hint in terms of x for which I taken 2 cos square x minus 1. Be careful about the minus. This is also to be taken as 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So minus if I'll open it, I find 2 cos square x minus 1 minus here 2 cos square alpha plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets eliminated. So 2 I have taken common. We're left with cos square x minus cos square alpha, which will give us a square minus b square, which will give us cos x minus cos alpha, a minus b, a plus b. So here terms gets eliminated. Finally, we are left with integration of cos x plus cos alpha. Ready for integration? This is beta k. Ready for integration. So be careful about this integration of k with respect to x. Yeah. So 2 is outside. Integration of cos, we find sin x plus. This is cos alpha kept as it is. Constant k kept as it is. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x. So we find x cos alpha plus c should be the answer. Should be the answer. I hope it's clear. Okay. So this is the 13th question. Next we have 14th question. Okay. Try to solve this question. In my next video, let me continue 14, 15 and the left out questions. And let's see the theory part also in the next video. Let me continue the next video. But meanwhile, you can sit and solve this question. Take it as homework and try to solve this question first. Thank you.